Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve Microsoft Store error message 0x8007064a, and this app couldn't be installed. Please try again, followed by error code message 0x8007064a, and let's fix that guys. Go to search menu and type troubleshoot. Troubleshoot setting, open it. In troubleshoot setting, you want to click other troubleshooters. Now scroll down guys, Windows Store apps, want to run it. Close the troubleshooter guys and close out of here if you not get resolved. Next step, you want to go to search menu and type WSRESET WSRESET, run command, click on it. Wait for a moment guys. Hopefully that should resolve the problem guys, but still having an issue. Let's fix that guys. If you not solved in this method, let's fix that guys. Close out of here, and that method, you want to go to search menu and type cmd run as administrator. Click yes. Now here you want to type IP config space slash flush DNS. Press enter. Successfully flashed the DNS resolver cache. The next method, you want to type netsock space winsock space reset. Press enter. Successfully reset the Winsock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Close out of here guys and go ahead and restart your PC. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely worked for you guys. Thanks for watching my video.